Hi everyone, I'm Professor Rodriguez. Welcome to class. I'm actually going to start doing these video presentations to kind of break the wall of online class. So thank you for everyone who has already posted on their discussion board on the introduction. So I appreciate that. And for doing the homework, we're in the beginning of the semester, but we're already gearing things up. So as a reminder, we are meeting this Monday. All right, we're meeting on Monday, September 24th. Okay, so please make sure to look at the date, rather the time and the room. Okay, take a look at that. I have it up in the weekly folder. You can also get that from your course schedule when you register for the class. The room is on there. All right, so I just wanted to make everyone aware that I did post up the week 3 homework, but notice that week 3 and 4 are together because we meet on Monday. All right, that's considered week 4. The week 3 homework, it is due. The week 3 folder is due the week after. All right. Basically, what I like to do is I never like to assign homework and a Learn Smart and a presentation all in one week. I'd rather have you focus on your presentations and practicing and rehearsing. Make sure you're within the time limit, preparing the PowerPoint, preparing your research, and all of that. Okay, so again, week 3 starts today, Wednesday, September 19th. All right. But the homework that I'm putting up, which is chapter 3, is not due until after the presentations. And you're going to notice the date. So that's week 3 homework. Week 4 will be considered our presentations when we do meet in person. So again, I'm putting up the homework. If you want to do that as well as preparing for your presentation, you're more than welcome to, but it is not due until after we meet and after the presentations. So the following, so October 2nd. All right, so just want to make everyone aware. You'll see that again happening when we meet for our other presentations. I will put up the homework and the Learn Smart and anything else due, but it's not due until after you present. All right. Also, if anyone would like, I have a Zoom meeting scheduled for this Friday. All right. This Friday, the 21st. All right. This Friday, September 21st at 5:30 p.m. I try to make it a time where people are out of work or home. Hopefully by then you can actually call in. You can call in or go on Zoom. All right. This is optional. It's not mandatory, being that this is an online class, that it's held asynchronously, so I'm putting up the assignments and things like that. So this is not a required class. I do that because some people tend to have questions about the course or about the presentations. So if you'd like to join me, I'll be on there. Log on or call in. All right. So anyway, so that's pretty much how we're starting the semester now. And just be on the lookout for these weekly videos. All right. I'll talk to you soon. I do have office hours, just like I said in my emails. I do have office hours. My schedule is posted on the door. If I see you on campus or if you see me on campus, wave and say hello. All right. I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you on Fridays for those who are calling in. If not, I will see you on Monday.